In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. This quick setup lets you create Teams meeting links directly from Google Calendar so you can keep your scheduling in one place while hosting calls in Teams. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're looking at your main calendar view. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a slim side panel with several icons. This panel is where Google Calendar keeps helpful tools and add-ons. If you don't notice it right away, it might be minimized. Look along the right edge of the screen for a small arrow to expand it. In that side panel, click the Get Add-ons button, which has a plus sign. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find trusted extensions that work inside Google Calendar. At the top of the Marketplace window, use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams Meeting. You're looking for the official add-on that integrates Teams with your Google Calendar. Click the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on in the search results to open its details page. Here you can skim the overview if you want to understand what it can do, but when you're ready, click Install. Google will guide you through a brief setup flow. Click Continue to proceed. When prompted, select the Google account you want to connect. Choose the account that owns the calendar you use most, especially if you switch between personal and work calendars. After selecting the account, Google will display the permissions the add-on needs. Click Allow to grant those permissions. These typically enable the add-on to read your calendar and insert Teams meeting details into your events, which is necessary for the integration to work smoothly. Once permissions are granted, click Done to finish up. The installation only takes a moment. Back in Google Calendar, you'll now see Microsoft Teams appear in the right side panel. This confirms the add-on is ready to use. From here, whenever you create or edit an event, you'll be able to add a Teams meeting link in just a click directly within Google Calendar. This streamlines your workflow, reduces copy and paste, and helps ensure your guests receive the correct meeting link every time. If you ever manage multiple calendars, double check you're adding the link in the event on the right calendar to avoid confusion. And that's it, your integration is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.